get used to waking up to you. Oh, how long did I sleep for? You should have woke me up. No. I don't want to leave you by yourself. It does. It sounds really, really windy outside. That's what makes this so much more special and nice and cuddly. Oh, did I take all the blanket? I'm sorry. Have some back. I'm still not like dry. My hair's soaking. I'll have to carry on with the walk tomorrow, I think. Yeah. I'm not tired. I am a little tired, but we did get caught in the rain. I really want to finish that trail. Yes. Just not when it's raining and pouring, please. It was super windy. We picked a great time to come here. Just surrounded by trees and all of the elements. I like it. It's relaxing. It's nice to just be here with you. You're so silly. You never annoy me. You're my favorite person. Yes. God, you look so good. You do. I could lay here in your lap for hours and maybe just like the whole trip. The rest of this trip, I'm just gonna lay here and look up at you and let you stroke my hair and my face and just be in complete utter bliss. Can I hire you? You can be my 24-hour a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year cuddler and hair stroker, and maybe a few nuzzles here and there. I love you. Wow, so windy. Hey, guess what? I love you. Just in case you forgot in the last minute or so. No, I'm very passionate about this. I'm very, very adamant that you need to be told at least once every minute. Hold me tighter. You give the best hugs in the whole wide world, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Maybe they should do a study of people who give the best hugs. You would win. 100% hands down. You're the best person to cuddle with. And you're all mine. All mine. I still can't believe it. Just that you're here with me. You are here with me. I guess we're both lucky then. You know how when I'm really sleepy and happy, I get a little bit sappy? Yes. No, listen. I really want to say that I love you, and you are the most amazing person I've ever met. There's no one who's sweeter and kinder, so loving as you. I just feel every single day that I've known you, and even more so every single day since we've been together, I just feel like the luckiest girl alive. I just want you to know that I love you, okay? Okay, I'll stop being sappy now. Actually, I can't promise that. I'm so happy. What? Just getting a little closer to you. So comfy. Look at my face. My face is so squidgy. It's so squidgy. It's all of that like winter puppy fat that I've somehow magically gained. It is magical because I don't remember eating like anything that could have done this to me, really. I mean, I only have like tea and biscuits every night. Maybe we had some really nice food like all over Christmas. Yes, I know Christmas was a little while ago, but you love me, don't you? Good. I love you too. What do you want to do tonight? This. Me too. We should do this. Maybe we should get my laptop and watch something and cuddle. Yeah. Maybe. You know, because I've been like really, really good, and I haven't had any strops or misunderstandings, as you call them. Maybe you could stroke my hair. Yeah. Oh, until your wrist is aching. Let's say. Yeah, that would be enough. But first, I want you to just keep cuddling me. Maybe you should try this, you know. Like, I'll sit, and then you come and lay in my lap, and I'll just cuddle you, and just stroke your cheeks, and cuddle you, and stroke your cheeks more. I really like holding you. I love cuddling you. I know. I do love to be cuddled, but I also like to give the cuddles. Especially to somebody like you who just deserves all of the cuddles in the whole wide world. I think maybe I'll just make, you know, like, have you seen those websites where you can turn someone's photo into a cushion? I'm definitely gonna do that to you. It's such a good idea. Maybe I'll make one of me for you, and I'll just freak you out one night and just leave it somewhere. I would love a teddy of you. I cuddle it all the time. No, but really, best cuddles ever. I think we should go and have a nice hot shower, get into some clean, warm pajamas, and then come right back, grab the snacks, And I suppose you can choose the movie. Yes, for giving such good hugs. It doesn't matter whether I like it or not, because trust me, I am just gonna be cuddled into your chest, watching you. I love you. I love you so much. I do. I just want to kiss you everywhere. Come on then. Let's go. Let's go get comfy. Let's get